Working with texture plates, you will need the texture plates, you will need your metal, this is pewter, you will need some tape, painter's tape or masking tape, you will need paper stumps and a variety of refiners. There are two kinds of texture plates. The first is the deboss or indent texture plate or an embossed or raised texture plate. Here your metal to your texture plate by using or securing it with the tape. Use your paper stump and rub over the texture plate, impressing the metal into your design of the texture plate. Apply a fair amount of pressure to make sure the design comes through. Follow the same method for the embossed or raised texture plate. Use a refiner with a medium or a wider tip and start outlining the design by pushing the pewter up against the indents of the texture plate. Follow the same procedure with the embossed or the raised design texture plate. Use a fine tip refiner and reline or retrace the outside of the design. Again, pushing your metal up against the texture plate design. Follow the same procedure for the raised or embossed texture plate design. Accentuate lines where you can in the design. Remove your metal from the texture plate. Use a paper stump to flatten around the background, and that would be of the raised design or the embossed design. For the indented or the deboss design, you can turn your metal around and on the back flatten around the design. Where there is a line, you can just add a little bit of detail to the line. Come back to the front and just re-outline it. You can get a debossed effect or an embossed effect depending which one you would like to use.